Have you ever really listened to the world around you? The gentle rustle of leaves, the distant hum of traffic, and the chorus of animal voices blend together in a symphony unique to every city. Birds singing, squirrels darting. Our planet is alive with animals of every shape and size. Even in the busiest city, you'll find pigeons cooing on statues, sparrows chirping in hedges, and crows calling from above. From the massive blue whale in the ocean to the tiniest ant on the sidewalk, each animal has its own story and place in nature. Even a ladybug on a city bench or a bee visiting a flower in a crack of pavement is part of this living tapestry. Imagine a world without birdsong or butterflies. How empty it would feel. The silence would stretch across empty parks and quiet streets, missing the flutter of wings and the scurry of tiny feet. Animals fill our world with color, sound, and movement. Dragonflies shimmer over ponds, bats swoop through the evening air, and butterflies dance in gardens, painting the city with life. They're our neighbors, sharing the same air, water, and sunshine. Every day, people and animals cross paths, sometimes without even noticing each other. You don't need to travel far to find them. Amazing creatures live right outside your door, in parks, gardens, and even city streets. Hedgehogs shuffle through leaves at night. Butterflies rest on balconies, and mice peek from hidden corners. Urban foxes, city ducks, and clever raccoons show how animals adapt and thrive alongside us. Opossums climb fences, falcons nest on skyscrapers, and rabbits nibble grass in playgrounds, all finding their own ways to survive in the city. Their secret lives are unfolding all around us, waiting to be discovered. At night, hedgehogs cross quiet streets, owls glide between buildings, and cats prowl along shadowy walls. So, let's begin our journey into the animal kingdom, meeting its families, exploring their homes, and learning what makes each one unique. Watch ducklings waddle after their mother, squirrels leap from branch to branch, and pigeons raise chicks in hidden city nooks. By the end, you'll see why it's so important to protect our animal friends and the planet we share. Every small action, planting flowers, building birdhouses, or picking up litter helps these creatures thrive. The adventure starts now. Open your eyes and ears to the wonders of the animal world. Step outside, listen closely, and discover the secret lives of urban animals all around you. The animal kingdom is a vast family tree, and in the heart of the city, these families are closer to us than we might think. Just like human families, animal families in urban areas stick together, look out for each other, and sometimes even squabble over dinner. Mammals are warm-blooded, breathe air, and mothers feed their babies milk. In the city, you might spot a mother raccoon teaching her kits to open trash bins, or a family of squirrels chasing each other through the park, much like kids playing tag. Even stray cats form tight-knit colonies, sharing food and keeping watch, just as human neighbors do. Birds, the only animals with feathers, fill our cities with song and color. Pigeons gather in flocks on rooftops, while sparrows build nests in traffic lights, urban apartments for feathered families. Some birds, like crows, are known to recognize human faces and even bring gifts to people who treat them kindly. A remarkable city friendship. Fish may seem out of place in the city, but urban ponds and rivers are home to schools of minnows and even the occasional carp. Like a bustling subway, these fish families move together for safety and survival. Reptiles, like snakes and turtles, are cold-blooded survivors with scaly skin. In city parks, turtles bask on rocks, while snakes quietly patrol gardens for pests. Urban pest control at its finest. Some turtles return to the same pond year after year, just as families return to their favorite picnic spots. Insects, bees, butterflies, ants are the largest group of all. In the city, ant colonies build underground highways beneath our feet, while bees pollinate rooftop gardens, helping urban flowers bloom. Ants work together like a well-organized family business, carrying food many times their size back to the nest. Each animal family has its own special traits, perfectly suited to its way of life, whether it's a fox family navigating alleyways at night, or a flock of geese raising goslings by the riverbank. Like human families, animal families teach, protect, and sometimes even adopt members from other species. Whether furry, feathered, scaly, or shelled, every animal has a place in nature's story, and in our city's story, too. Let's meet them, learn their secrets, and celebrate the incredible variety of the animal kingdom, right here in our own backyard. The more we know, the more we can protect. Every animal family matters, just like every human family in the city. Animals need homes just like we do, places called habitats that provide food, water, and safety. But in cities, animals get creative, turning unexpected places into cozy shelters. Habitats range from icy Arctic tundras for polar bears to scorching deserts for camels. Some animals are master builders. Birds weave nests from twigs, grass, and even bits of string or plastic found in the city. Beavers construct sturdy dams that create entire ponds. Ants create vast underground cities, while termites build towering mud skyscrapers and wasps craft delicate paper nests under rooftops. Others find ready-made shelters, a bear in a cave, a crab or snail in a shell, or a raccoon in an attic. In cities, opossums might hide in garages, and skunks can make homes under porches. Even in cities, animals adapt. Pigeons nest on buildings, foxes roam the streets, and peregrine falcons raise chicks high atop skyscrapers. Bees might build hives in wall crevices, and mice tunnel through subway systems. A habitat is more than shelter. It's the animal's whole world, offering everything it needs to survive: food, water, and a safe place to rest. Healthy habitats mean thriving animals, which is why protecting these places is so important. From forests and reefs to city parks, rooftop gardens, and even fountains, animals find ways to make a home. Every habitat is a precious home, whether it's a log pile for a hedgehog, a chimney for a swift, or a sunny patch of pavement for a lizard. When we care for habitats, by planting trees, building birdhouses, or cleaning up parks, we care for the creatures that depend on them. Fun fact, a single birdhouse can help a whole family of bluebirds thrive in the city. Every corner of the earth is alive with animal homes, each one unique, each one important. Let's help keep them safe wherever they are found. Every animal needs food, and what they eat shapes their lives, even in the heart of the city. Herbivores, like cows and giraffes, eat only plants, using special teeth to grind tough leaves. In cities, rabbits and deer find patches of grass, garden plants, and even flowers to munch on. Carnivores, such as lions and owls, hunt other animals, relying on sharp teeth and claws. Urban carnivores like foxes, stray cats, and hawks hunt rats, pigeons, and even insects among city streets and parks. Omnivores like bears, raccoons, and humans eat both plants and animals, making them adaptable to many habitats. In urban areas, raccoons and crows feast on garbage, fruit, and whatever scraps they can find, while ducks enjoy bread and seeds from park visitors. Each animal has a place in the food chain, connecting plants, herbivores, and carnivores in a delicate balance. Even in bustling cities, where food webs are just as complex, a caterpillar eats a leaf, a bird eats the caterpillar, and a hawk eats the bird. Nature's web of life. In cities, ants scavenge crumbs, sparrows peck at seeds, and bats swoop for insects drawn to streetlights. Every link in the chain is important, keeping ecosystems healthy. Urban green spaces become vital dining spots for many species. Understanding what animals eat helps us see how everything in nature is connected. Scientists and city dwellers alike observe how urban animals adapt their diets to survive. The food chain is a story of survival, adaptation, and balance. Urban animals get creative, opening bins, raiding gardens, or nesting in unexpected places to find their next meal. Every meal tells a part of the animal's story, whether in the wild or right outside your window. Animals have developed incredible talents to survive, and sometimes to astonish us. Birds and bats master the skies, while insects like butterflies fill the air with color. Peregrine falcons dive at over 200 miles per hour, and owls fly in near silence to sneak up on prey. Speed is a superpower. Cheetahs sprint, sailfish swim fast, pronghorns race across open plains, and dragonflies outmaneuver almost any insect in the air. Hummingbirds hover in a blur, while albatrosses glide for hours without flapping, and swiftlets build nests on sheer cliffs. Camouflage is another trick. Stick insects look like twigs, chameleons change color. The mimic octopus impersonates other animals, and leaf-tailed geckos vanish against tree bark. Hares turn white in winter, ptarmigans disappear in the snow, and snow leopards melt into rocky mountainsides. Some animals have almost magical abilities. Electric eels shock prey, geckos walk on walls, pistol shrimp create bubbles that stun fish, and mantis shrimp punch with the speed of a bullet. Deep-sea fish glow in the dark, fireflies light up summer nights, and jellyfish create underwater light shows. Spiders spin silk stronger than steel, weaver birds craft intricate nests, and termites build towering mounds with natural air conditioning. Beavers engineer entire landscapes, orangutans use tools to find food, and crows solve puzzles with remarkable intelligence. Each talent is a solution to a challenge, finding food, escaping danger, or surviving harsh environments. Emperor penguins huddle for warmth in Antarctica, while camels cross scorching deserts with ease. These superpowers show nature's endless creativity. Archerfish shoot jets of water to knock down prey, and ants build living bridges with their own bodies. The animal world is full of surprises, each one a marvel of adaptation. Lyrebirds mimic chainsaws and camera shutters, while countless creatures use mimicry to survive. Every creature has its own way to thrive. Dolphins cooperate to catch fish, and wolves hunt in packs for success. Nature's imagination knows no bounds. From the wildest jungles to city streets, animal talents continue to amaze us every day. Some animals become legends, touching hearts around the world. But in cities, their friendships often surprise and inspire us even more. Hachiko, the loyal dog, waited at a train station every day for years, showing us the meaning of devotion. Washo, the chimpanzee, learned sign language, proving animals can think and communicate in complex ways. Coco, the gorilla, gentle and loving, adopted a kitten and expressed deep emotions through sign language. In the heart of Istanbul, street cats and dogs are known to form unlikely friendships, often seen sharing food and warmth on chilly nights. In New York's Central Park, a duck and a dog became local celebrities after being spotted playing together every morning, reminding city dwellers that friendship knows no species. These stories remind us that animals have personalities, feelings, and intelligence. They're not just creatures, they're individuals with their own lives and stories. In urban homes, interspecies bonds blossom, like the therapy dog and hospital cat who comfort patients side by side, or the parrot and dog who explore the city together. Famous animal friends inspire us to see animals as more than just part of nature. Their lives teach us about loyalty, intelligence, and love. By learning their stories, we build a deeper connection to the animal world and to each other. We've explored the wonders of the animal kingdom right here in our cities and neighborhoods. Now, it's our turn to help. Urban animals need our support more than ever. Many animals and habitats are in danger from pollution, deforestation, and climate change. When habitats disappear, so do the creatures that depend on them. Every lost patch of green means fewer safe spaces for wildlife, but every one of us can make a difference. Plant flowers for bees, create pollinator gardens, and choose native plants that support local wildlife. Put out water for birds and pollinators, build bee hotels, and provide safe shelters for small creatures. Keep our parks clean, remove invasive species, and recycle to reduce waste that harms animals. Learn and share knowledge about animals. Read, watch, and teach others about the importance of urban wildlife. Every small act of kindness adds up. rescue, feed, and create safe passages for animals in need. Let's promise to respect animal homes, observe from a distance, keep pets under control, and support wildlife corridors. Be mindful of our actions, stay on trails, dispose of waste properly, and follow guidelines that protect habitats. Speak up for those who can't, advocate for green spaces, support conservation efforts, and use your voice to inspire change. By being good neighbors, we help ensure animals thrive for generations to come. Imagine cities alive with birdsong, butterflies, and the quiet presence of foxes and owls. The future of the animal kingdom is in our hands. Let's plant, protect, and nurture together. Let's protect this precious treasure together. Every action, big or small, brings us closer to a world where people and animals thrive side by side.